How to calculate growth figures with cards. Let's learn together. We wrote our DAX, which calculates sales amounts. First, we need to calculate the sales amounts for the last year. Second, we need to find the sales amount growth. If you're doing division, I recommend using the divide formula instead of the mathematical division symbol, because it will return 0 when you get an error. Copy a new card or create card. Finally, make your formatting settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.